Welcome back to another Explore Science with the Ward Beecher Planetarium. I'm Tiffany Woolbrick, and today we will be making our own Earth-Moon scale model. Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered how far away is that thing? Well, we do know that the moon is about 239,000 miles from planet Earth. Wow. What does that mean, though? That's hard to imagine. So one of the things that we do in science to help us better understand what we're talking about is to make a model. So we're going to shrink the Earth down to the size of a tennis ball. That's a lot more manageable. We understand how big a tennis ball is. So if the Earth was the size of a tennis ball, where would the moon be? Would it be here? Would it be further? Make your guess, okay? If you have to pause the video and talk with your friends or family, please do. But make a guess. How far away do you think the Earth would be from your ball? Even if you have a ball that's not a tennis ball, that's fine. Okay, and then you also need to get some string. Any string will do. Just make sure you have plenty of it. And we are going to, you can kind of make your guess with your string. How far away do you think it's going to be? Is it this far? Is it really far off the screen? Or is it really close? Well, pause it here if you haven't made your guess yet, because I'm about to tell you. The moon is about 9.5 times, the distance from Earth to the moon is about 9.5 times the circumference of the Earth. That's how long around the Earth is. So you can take any string around any ball, wrap it around 9.5 times, and then you have the distance from the Earth to the moon. So that's what we'll do here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a half there. Okay, so we have our, I cut my string. You can cut it or mark it, and then you unravel it and you can see how, if the Earth were the size of the ball that you have, how far away would the moon be? Well, it looks like mine is so far that I can't even hold it out with my hand. I'm going to need a friend to help me. Here you go. We're going to move it out. And here is the Earth. The Earth was the size of a tennis ball. There would be your moon. Wow, that's really far. Now, as I mentioned, you can use any old ball you want, but if you do, thank you. If you do use a tennis ball, you can use a penny for your moon. So if the Earth were the size of a tennis ball, the moon would be about the width of a penny. So there you have it. You have your Earth-Moon scale model. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to keep exploring.